Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change your background color on Microsoft Office Word. The first step that you have to do is to open your Microsoft Office Word software and follow these simple steps. As you can see, here I have this menu uh, right as shown here, but we are interested in the file menu here in the ribbon. We will click on it. As you can see, it will transfer us to the document window or the home menu. As you can see, there are some options here. Those are concerning the software, and here it is concerning the settings of the accounts and settings of Microsoft Office Word. Now we want to go directly to the account settings. Here, as you can see, it will show this window here. Here there is the manage account, the license options, and as you can see, this is something concerning the background. To change the background color, all we have is to go to the Office theme and we will click on it. Here you will choose the color that you want. As you can see, if I choose the dark gray, it will change the background color. And if you want to add some shapes or some styles to the background, all you have is to select something that you like from the Office background. I will let it unchecked or unselected, and I will go to the Office theme. There is also the dark mode or the black color background. If I go to my document here, as you can see, it is already all black and everything has changed color on Microsoft Office Word. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.